Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to see an example in which we're going to use metrics to calculate other metrics. So let's get started. Here I have this evaluation function definition that I called good enough. So the idea is that this function will take the matrix dictionary, will get the custom accuracy that we defined in the previous videos, and it's basically the simple definition of accuracy, and then implement some logic. If this custom accuracy value is greater than 0.8, it's going to return 1, otherwise it's going to return 0. That's why the metric is called good enough. If it's 1, it's good enough. If it's 0, it's not. So here I just want to showcase that we can access metrics from this dictionary to calculate other metrics, and not only the custom metrics but also the other metrics that MLflow calculates by default. So just to refresh, before we were defining the custom accuracy metric, right? And it's called my accuracy that you can see here. So in today's video, we're going to use that metric to calculate another metric called good enough. So this is the definition of the metric. Now let's create the evaluation metric using this class, good enough metric. I'm going to pass as evaluation function the good enough definition, the name for the metric, greater is better, just true, some details about this metric metadata, additional information about this metric, and the version. So let me run this. And now let me use this new metric within my evaluate metric method. So here I am passing the evaluation dataset. The model type is a classifier, the name of the column with the targets or labels, and the name of the column with the predictions. Now for extra metrics, I am passing two custom definitions. My accuracy, that we work with the previous videos, and good enough metric. So let me run this cell, and now let me get the metrics from these results. So here we have like all the metrics that MLflow calculates for classifiers. And here we can see the custom metrics. Custom accuracy is 0.48, right? And good enough, as you can see here, is 0, because this metric, or the value of this metric, is below 0.8. That's why this is basically 0, right? So with this example, we saw how to use other metrics to calculate new metrics. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching it, and see you next time.